Down here at my buddy's property, Casey. I'm going to check out some wiring issues on the furnace. He scared me. He said look over what he's done, so it's going to be screwed up. It's a hacked up. Okay, so we go back to brown. Go back to brown. Temp. Yep, back to ground. Goes to the fan relay. Comes out of the fan relay. Goes to blue, which is green. Comes out of blue, which is green. What the fuck? White to yellow. Relay brown. Power. Brown. Relay. Right there. That's a relay. Transformer. Top is yellow. Why is both ends of that that ain't make no sense. That don't make any sense, man. That air conditioner just kicked on. Check that AC. Oh.
Try it again.
Did it kick on?
I think so. Try it again.
It's either on or off. Is it running? Dude, that's either yay or nay.
It's running.
What do you mean?
It's.
Did the fan come on?
The fan took a second to come on. Like it didn't want to spin.
I'm gonna check your cap on there. Oh, it did spun.
Yeah, I just said it.
Check the cap on that. Make sure that cap is good. Ooh, yes, whoa. Why in the fuck is there two caps on that? Here's slide it. Why is there two caps?
Don't have it. The damnedest clue.
What the fuck is this? What the freak kind of shit is this, bro?
Dude, I don't know. This is how half my shit is. I've got to do a lot of research on half of it.
This is a run start capacitor, dude.
Yeah. So that's
why
a
is that
35.5.
here? I can't see. It's too. My head's too close to it.
35.5. I'll go get a new one.
Ooh, that's dirty as fuck.
Yeah, I'll clean all
Well,
that
we
shit
check
after.
it first. Pull your well, hold. Did that kick?
Nothing outside kicked.
Okay. At least now.
I heard the coil turn on. It sounded like.
Huh?
It heard something in there kick on weird. Sounded like the outside unit was in here.
Let me trace this down one more time. Common or yellow. I don't know why it keeps going. Unit is a relay. There's no cooling. Cooling unit relay. Okay. That's going to be the contactor. Contactor. Yellow. Thermostat. It don't have a cover plate on it. It's in my hand.
Okay.
I was like, wow, I was just messing with you.
It's not snapping in at all.
Yeah, I was like, what? There you go. Yeah. Hopefully we're good. I heard the AC kick on. Yeah, you're gonna need a compressor on that, or
Right, faster.
yeah, because it's real slow.
Running.
I know it's running. Well, maybe not. She got it bounced. That dirty as shit.
Yeah, well, I'll get all that.
Yeah, that needs cleaned bad.
Well, this
It's not moving. You feel that? You ain't got no air. You got no airflow.
Right. Well, this one was on my list when I had to go make lists of everything that was around.
Yeah. I just want to double check, make sure it's rotating the right way. It doesn't look like it is.
Clockwise.
Yeah, it's rotating the correct way.
Get the breaker out. Put on
Yeah.
this on it.
Oh, okay.
Because they have this shit a shit
Yeah,
show.
I'll let you do that. Well, keep running back to it. I mean, I've got a backpack, Milwaukee backpack.
Yeah. Well, I thought about getting
It gets on my nerves.
the same version, but for Husky, because Husky has a really nice one that has a 4-inch rubber at the bottom.
Yeah. Hopefully, bro, we don't have any more problems with this. She don't work right without the door on it. Man, I miss working on these furnaces. It's been a while. I used to have fingers at the bottom. I used to have mess with these all the time. Like the coils. When the coils pop, oh shit.
Yeah.
I can fix those coils when they leak. Yeah. Because they're just water. I heard her kick on. She's a spinner. So hopefully we need to do believe it or not, a test on it, which is to shut it off and make sure it shuts off. You know what I mean? Because I've had that problem a couple times.
Shut off.
Woohoo! Banger! We got a banger. Went wrong freaking way.
This one. 2893.
Well, what we call that? We call that a dunner. We got that fixed. Ended up just being a thermostatic issue.